Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Runway ML. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in runwayml.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Runway ML website. Now from this page, click on login at the top right corner to proceed with logging into your account if you haven't done so already, using your login credentials like your username and your password, or your Google, your Apple or Facebook account. Now after logging into your account, you will be taken into the dashboard. Now from the dashboard, if you wish to change your password, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on My Account. Now from your My Account page, you can simply scroll down and you will find the Change Password button. Go ahead and click on this and you will be asked to enter your current password first, followed by your desired new password and your new password once again for confirmation. So go ahead and type in your current password and then enter your desired new password twice for confirmation and click on the Save button. And after you click on Save, your password will immediately be changed. And after this point on, you will be able to use your new password to log into your Runway ML account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Runway ML AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.